Minimalize, blah, blah, blah. By minim Hey surprise, this is Girl UK and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed and still here we go, thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. This is the first time seeing you girl, see my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because you won't be disappointed with any of the content that I bring to you. I promise. This is an unboxing video, guys. Yes, I think it's like a couple of weeks ago I had a backlog of this beautiful company, which is my glam box. I did like a triple unboxing, so I am all caught up, my lovelies, with what's in store. So I just got my glam box, so we're just gonna unbox and see what we get, my darlings, because I am so excited. You know I live for their boxes, and we've gone back to the iconic black and gold box, so this must not be a themed box. So let's see what we got. When you open the box, ooh, everything starts falling out. That's number one. When you open the box, you are greeted with this lovely leaflet, and then woo, going back to Adora lashes. I am so excited. I just saw Adora. This box was the first people that actually introduced me to Adora lashes, and let me tell you, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous eyelashes. It says myglamsquad.co.uk because it is a UK based box. It says ready for the new season. We are embracing the warm tones of autumn and have filled your glam box with products to help you and your beauty routine transition into the AW. Experiment with the new looks for this new season. Enhance your skin natural glow and pamper yourself with this month's autumn glam box. We can't wait to see the looks you create with your new products. If you need some inspiration, our Instagram is full of makeup looks and achieved using the products in this month's box by some incredible celebrity makeup artists. The first thing that we see in the box, my darlings, is I'm seeing this massive box. This is quite weighty. You know me, I love a weighty component. So it says celebrity brows. Okay, you have a little pulley. We pull this off and then we open it like so. You have a little tag here. Oh, first of all, you are greeted with this beautiful mirror. So all the lights in your face, There's a little note. Oh my god, wow. So this is a full-on brow kit, guys. We're talking a full-size tweezer. You have a pencil, you have a double-ended brush, and you have all these matte tones here. That is amazing. And then you have this little card, and it basically probably tells you how to do your brows. That is amazing. Hold on a minute. Oh hell, okay. I'm looking at this and I was like, hold on a minute, it looks like you get stencils, but I don't see no stencils. Where's the stencils? But then when you pull this up, sweetie, this tray removes and you've got a whole load of stencils just in case you need a little help with your brows. You know me, I brought that to my channel a while ago because I needed all types of help. I only just started doing my own, like drawing it myself without a pencil or anything like that 3 weeks ago. You know what I mean? And I've been doing this makeup just under a year. This is absolutely beautiful. I can imagine it's very expensive because, you know, when you get these little kits, you don't even get a full-size tweezer. You get some tiny tweezers. Oh, should we see how much this is? Let's see how much this box sets you back. I'm loving the way that this is presented. It says the kit includes 3 eyebrow powders, 1 eyebrow setting wax, 1 eyebrow pencil, 1 pair of tweezers, 1 double-ended slanted brush, 7 eyebrow stencils, and instruction booklet in this kit. Wow. Home to Makeup Masterclass by Zoe Ellen MUA. Nail Based Training Academy brings you the complete must-have brow shaping and define kit. The Celebrity Brow Kit contains a unique long-lasting powder in 3 different shades to help give the desired brow shape you need to last all day. It gives you all the products you need to create a fuller, more defined shape and look. This will set you back £35, and I can see that. I can definitely see this kit being £35 considering the Anastasia kit was something like £65 and all you get is the stencils and tweezers. I don't even think you get anything else with the Anastasia one. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I'm sure when I first saw it, when it first came out, it was literally the stencils and a tweezer kit and it was like £65. So you're getting an amazing deal with this. I am fully loving it considering I just started doing my own eyebrows. That's going to be something that's going to be in my kit. Swiftly moving on, I see this little component. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to open it and see what's inside. This is like highlighter drops. Can you see that? Very iridescent. So let's see what it says. It's called INC dot readable. So I'm sure it's incredible, but they have a dot in between the C and the R. It says incredible well lit highlighting drops, and it's 9.35 mils. That's 0.31 fluid ounces. So it says the Incredible collection has all the DNA of a mother brand, nails included. Incredible high quality formulations with exciting innovative stories combined with their much loved fashion edge, now exploded out into a full beauty range. Social theatre and storytelling is at the heart of the brand, and each collection has a unique story. Incredible will promise you wearable trends and original looks in a new fun way. We are obsessed with Incredible's dreamy, creamy or bluescent highlighter drops, which works to accentuate your natural contour areas with ethereal glow. Dab onto skin and blend over Cupid's bow, cheekbones and down the nose. Wear alone or over makeup for a knockout brightening effect. This will set you back £10, and I'm just going to make you see. Oh, I love that. I wonder if they did it like this is because they said they do nails. So I wonder if they just use the same thing. You know, when you have this, you might as well just use it. This is literally nail polish. Like, it's a nail polish component. Can you see that? That is lovely. Oh, look, pearl like sensation. I love that. That's cute. I like the little component. Very different. I've never had a nail polish component and actually inside it's highlighter. We're gonna move on, and the next thing I see is the 3 lashes. I already told you this is Eldora lashes. This is the M108 lash. The last time we got the M112 lashes, which look like this, and I've used them. They are so beautiful. These ones are the new ones, and it also comes with the glue, as you can hear, rattly rattly rattly. It just says Eldora lashes. This month's lash feature is one of the Eldora's best sellers. Their multi-layered lashes provide you with a fluffy whisper effect. Feature medium length hair complemented by longer wispy hairs. This style brings impact and volume to the eyes. The perfect full and eye-catching lash. These will set you back £8.50. And then the next thing we have is this box hair. So this is the Optiat Be Good Pamper Kit. Let's see what we get. Oh, okay, so it has a lot of writing. So it says, we're the natural friendly beauty company. And then it has, we believe in respecting the world around us by minimalizing the impact we humans have on our wider environment. Nice. We give new life to ingredients that would otherwise be discarded. Okay. So when you open it again, and then you see that little writing at the top, and then this was the writing that I read out just now, and then when you open it, it says ethical products, repurposing quality, hand sourced products, cruelty free and vegan friendly. So then when you open it, you are greeted with, oh wow, okay, so you're greeted with these little sachets. You have the nourishing and hydrating face mask. This is marshmallow root, English hemp and activated charcoal. It says vegan, sustainable and organic, and it's 100% natural. That's meant to be a face mask. Then the next sachet is purifying and exfoliating face mask. This is Moraine Superfoods, English hemp and activated charcoal, vegan, sustainable and organic and 100% natural. So this is that one. And then we have the hangover coffee scrub, potent peppermint. Looks like this. Then we have Hit the Sheets coffee scrub, vanilla velvet. This was quite heavy. You can get a lot in there. And then you have the Pick Me Up coffee scrub, lemongrass lifter. And then you have the Feel Good coffee scrub, mouth watering mandarin, which is this one. Okay, that is very, very cute. So let me read what they say about it. I love the fact that they're so friendly to the environment. That is what you need, because if it's friendly to the environment, it's 100% going to be friendly to your face and body, because it won't have any nasties in there. This one is called the Opiate Vamp Pamper Kit. It's time to pamper yourself from head to toe. We have fallen in love with the Opiates Vamp Pamper Kit. Taking ingredients that would otherwise be discarded, Opiate has transformed them into natural, sustainable, vegan skincare. Your cozy autumn nights in will now be complete with your VIP Opiate face mask and skin scrub collection. Scrub away and get your skin ready for the new season. Oh my god, this will set you back only £4.50. That is so good of a price point. I'm really feeling that. It's a cute little kit. I'll definitely be going to the website and seeing what else they have to offer. Everybody that they feature in my glam box, they always put their handles in there, so you always will find their website. So just in case you love love what you see in the box. For me, it's 100%. I always love everything that they put in this box. I can then go and find out and check out these companies. So that is the end of the box, guys. That was cute. As I said in plenty of videos before this, that depending on the price point in the box, depending on how many products you get. So this is one of the smaller boxes. I haven't actually got a smaller box before, so this was the first. So in this box, I only got 1, 2, 3, 4 things, but the price point of this makes the whole box. Like, this is £35 and I pay £18 for the box. Honeys, yes, I'm loving this because I never used to draw on my own eyebrows. I always used to do like the thick brow first with the pen and then chisel it out with so much concealer to get the shape that I wanted, because I was so horrible at drawing my own eyebrows, and I only just started drawing my own eyebrows in the last couple of weeks. So this is so cool that I have this, because I will be trying it out and seeing what else I can do with these eyebrows, honey, because I know they're not perfect yet. They are definitely sisters, yes, but I want them to be twinsies. This is lovely. This is the end of the unboxing. I am pleasantly surprised at everything I've got. As per usual, I love the Eldora lashes. I love myself a little highlight, and I'm loving the kits. This is so good because I have a sensitive face, so this alone is amazing. I'm getting more into skincare and loving my face and looking after it, because you know, when you're beating the face every day with makeup, you need to look after your skin, honey, more than ever. So it's been your girl Arika Yamazaki here. Listen that you're loved and you're all that anybody needs, honey, and I'll catch you, yes you, the one that came to the end of the video, handle your girl, my darling. I'll catch you, honey bunny, on another video. Yeah.